The cabinet body is made of 8mm PP plate, which is welded seamlessly by hand with the same color welding rod. To ensure the firmness and tightness of the cabinet body, and has excellent corrosion resistance. The cabinet door is made of homogeneous PP board. Window is made of 5mm tempered glass. The layer board is also made of PP plate, with vertical edges around it, and the interior is welded as a whole. The overall design is movable and can be arbitrarily extracted and placed in suitable compartments. The door handle and door hinge are made of PP material after injection molding, which has good corrosion resistance. Suzhou Pharma Machinery also provides customized all kinds of experimental cabinets, air conditioning and ventilation facilities, water facilities. Your inquiry is welcome.